Swingful week for Dow Jones, achieving close to 35,000 levels, and here on the downside close to 32,600 levels. So almost 2,400 points of move in this single week. Now what to expect next week? Should we consider this as a reversal, and is it going to give the good bearish move from here, or we are looking forward to a reversal from here and expect it to trade bullish? Which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Towards the end of this analysis, I will give you the trading levels and strategy. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which will keep you updated with the daily analysis and targets for Dow Jones, which I share once with the Asia session, next with the US cash session. So do watch that also. Now let's have a look. See, US30 has achieved higher highs at 35,000 levels. And if you look at, see the previous lows here at 32,000, certainly be a very stronger support zone for US30. At the same time, another observation, if you just look at it here, see the candle size. The candle size here was reversal, then a big bearish candle, and then a smaller body size candle. It indicates that it is trying to trade in this bullish channel. Still, the bottom is done and possibility for it to reverse exists. Hence, next week, if you see it trading below 32,600, you can stay short. That is the only level where I will recommend you to stay short. Else, the possibility for it to bounce back still exists, and we will see how it behaves next week, which will decide the direction for it. Now, this is on the weekly charts. Let's have a look at the daily charts also. Now, on the daily charts, 32,500, which was the bottom here, since then the rally has started. Certainly, below 32,500, you can definitely expect it to achieve 32,000 levels, which is a very strong support zone. Now, if you look at on the upside, I'll wait for it to break past 33,000 again, which is previously provided a very strong support, 33,000, 33,400 levels, because beyond which it can try to trade certainly bullish. You can see multiple candles on the daily charts getting the support from 33,400, 500 zone. This time it is given a breakout, and see the candle size also on the daily charts. This was a strong bearish candle. This candle, the bears tried to take it on the downside, however again pulled it back. Now next candle can be of reversal. It can give you similar green candle which was there in the red on Friday. It can then start the reversal movement. So if it is bullish, it has not to break past 32,500 levels, because below which it is going to break strongly on the downside. Now let's have a look at the monthly. On the monthly charts, higher highs are done. On the monthly charts here, see the candle, almost this previous body size move is done, and if it has to reverse, it has to reverse from here. 32,500, 600 zone, very strong support. You can see previous few candles getting the support from those levels, resistance from those levels. Now it is trying to get the support from these levels and try to, if it is bullish, it has to reverse from these levels, else breaking below 32,500 will call the bears there for party, and then you can see it hitting 32,200, 32,000, and then below 32,000 further bearishness can be expected. This is one part to look at with the help of just candlestick charts. Now let's see with the help of indicators, what does the indicators are for it. On the daily charts, you can see the width of the Bollinger Bands has certainly narrowed in the past few days, and after this couple of red candles, see it is started to expand on the, specifically on the downside. Also look at this. This is trading outside Bollinger Bands here, and if it is bearish, it has to give or trade consistently outside Bollinger Bands, expand the width of the Bollinger Bands, and then possibly bounce back. Now right now, if you look at the 20 period moving average at around 33,000 levels, 33,200 levels are certainly going to be a very good resistance level. And yes, if you see it trading above 33,200 levels, certainly one can remain long here. Also look at how beautifully it tried to expand the Bollinger Bands now, and also getting a pullback, and hence once you see it trading above 33,200, you can remain long for 33,500, 400, which is definitely be a very strong resistance zone. Once it trades above 33,500, stay long for next few sessions. The directional movement has crossed over for a bearish move. Stochastic looking downwards here. Look at the MACD. This is extremely divergent, extremely bearish here. At this point, when it was trading, I told you that this has to potentially drop a little, and now it is done with this. Probably from here the convergence may be seen. The RSI is looking downwards, indicating little bearishness there. Now look at the weekly charts here. On the weekly charts, you can see the 20 and 50 period moving average is crossed over. It is trading with a divergence. The 20 period 50 and 100 period moving average crossover it was. The 20 period moving average now started to look upwards, and it is now again trying to stabilize. So possibly if it crosses over on the upside, certainly bullish momentum further can be seen. The directional movement which was so far bullish trying to converge. The stochastic which was overbought, that is what has got it, that is what has seen it dropping, and yes, for next couple of weeks also it can take it further down before it looks over to reversal. This is the classical move which Dow has shown till date. The MACD has seen the highs, and probability for it to converge from here exists. It is already trying to converge. The RSI is looking downwards. Now if you look at the monthly charts here, on the monthly chart, the 50 months average on the downside certainly be a good support. The resistance on the downside is far away. The directional movement is bearish, trying to converge here. The stochastic which was oversold now looking upwards, and in fact has come to near to overbought levels. The MACD has seen good bearishness. It is trying to converge here. See the extremes here. Now it is trying to converge. So possibly once it crosses over it, we can see a little bit of bullishness. The RSI is again looking downwards here, indicating little strength, loss of strength. So we have seen the charts, we've seen the indicators. Time for us to define the levels and strategy for next week. Next week, a possible buy is only if you see it trading above 32,950 levels. Beyond that, 33,050 and 33,200. Once it trades above 33,200, the next strongest resistance zone now is 33,400 and 33,500 levels. And any point of time, if it breaks past 33,500, then bullish momentum will continue, and we may see it hitting 33,800 and 34,000 levels. And beyond that, certainly 34,500 levels to be seen. So this is one part of it. At the same time, on the downside, where to sell? Yes, you can sell here at 32,000. See, in fact, if you sell at 32,700, you should remember that 32,600 is the level which you should look at, and then 32,500. Only and only if it breaks below 32,500, I will be ready for a bearish week, and then you can expect another round of good drop, taking it for 32,200 and 32,000 levels. Below that, again a good round of drop might take it to 31,500, if not this week, possibly by next week. But I will still see whether it may try to reverse a bit. The support here at 32,600, 500 is definitely very strong. Only and only if it breaches past these levels, you can consider this as bearish. Trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.